A big hello to everyone from the Science Diplomacy in South Asia Working Group. Welcome to the EAGM. I am Sandeep from India. I also extend a warm and hearty welcome to the new GYA members. The aim of this group is to inspire and engage more and more young scientists and researchers beyond their disciplines. The group strongly advocates science for peace. We think that scientific collaboration among the South Asian countries can help to resolve the conflicts that exist between them. The countries can reach greater heights through scientific collaboration. The group aims to work on different issues with the help of young academies in the South Asian countries. I also welcome the new members to join the group and be a part of the exciting forum through GYA.
Hi, I am Mahesh Kumar from India. I am the part of Science Diplomacy in South Asia. We are trying to establish independent young academy in each country of this region.
Hi everyone, I'm Shalini from India. Welcome to Science Diplomacy in South Asia Working Group of Global Young Academy. South Asia is diverse and one of the fastest economically growing in the world. However, it is unfortunate truth that we South Asians face multiple challenges such as poverty, food and energy insecurity, climate change, health, and many other challenges. Scientific collaboration and dialogue between all of us can only help. However, it is not so easy to overcome all these barriers. Science Diplomacy in South Asia Working Group of Global Young Academy tries to reduce or remove these barriers through scientific collaboration. Projects Science Diplomacy in South Asia Group is running, like the challenges faced especially by young women scientists in South Asia, or the problems faced by young scientists in South Asia, or developing various young academies, or more inclusive visa policies, and many other such projects. So friends, what are you waiting for? Come and join us to address these problems very specific to our own South Asia, and let us build together a better world for all of us.
Though we are living in a virtual global village, yet there are challenges in meeting and working together in real world situation, especially in Southeast Asia. If we could overcome these visa difficulties, then probably we could work together and resolve many of our problems by the use of innovation through science and technology.
Well, South Asian countries, they have a shared history, culture, music, food, lots of things that are common. We also have common problems. So we, the group of scientists from Global Young Academy, we sat together and we formed this group of science diplomacy, thinking that how science can be helpful in bringing solutions to those common problems that the region is facing. And we also believe that our efforts can be helpful in bringing some peace waves, to the region.
Science diplomacy is a big terminology under which we can collaborate with various nations. Under science diplomacy, we can facilitate the international cooperation. We can also design foreign policies to support scientific activities such as fighting against COVID-19 and other pandemics.
I'm Nova from Bangladesh. In this group, we try to gather around India, Pakistan and Bangladesh because these three countries are close together but they never meet each other, so there is a barrier for scientists. So when our young academy was formed, we invited scientists from other countries and they supported, and one of them participated in our inauguration session, and it's a good beginning. We hope we can continue this and do lots of more projects.
So we invite you as well, the new members, to come forward and join us to think collectively how scientific collaborations can help in improving international relations in the South Asian region.